We're gonna do each question off the 2025 Algebra STAAR test. Goal here is to find the most efficient and quick way to get the answers to every single one of these questions. All right, so the first one, which expression is equivalent to this? 1.5 times the quantity 4j minus 10k. You could read it. All right, so I'm going to show you two different ways we can do this. First way, we're going to do it by hand. So a couple things I see here. I see some coefficients in front of these parentheses that need to be distributed. So I'm going to multiply 1.5 times 4j makes 6j. 1.5 times negative 10k makes negative 15k. Then we're going to do the same thing. Be careful here. It can get a little tricky because this negative sign, the sign in front of any term or factor tells you its value. So when we multiply, we're going to multiply by negative 2.5. Negative 2.5 times 8j, 16, negative 20j. And then again, a negative times a positive, negative 2.5 times 6k is going to make, let's do 12 and 15, negative 15k. And then from here, I just need to combine my like terms, the j terms and the k terms. You'll notice again, it's that sign in front that tells you its value. So I have a positive 6 and a negative 20. That makes negative 14j. And negative 15 and negative 15 makes negative 30k. Back to the test, you can see there's that answer there, C. But here's another method. If, say, you want to double check, or maybe you're a little lost on the actual test, one thing you can do is type in the expression. It's not going to simplify it for you, but if you type in the expression exactly as it appears into Desmos, and then set all the variables, in this case j and k, to certain values. I'll just do 1 and 2. It's going to output a certain value for your expression. Now all you have to do is go one by one, the different answer choices, and see what it outputs. So I plugged in the same values of j and k for this first expression, gave me a different value. Can't be our answer. This one also gave me a different value, not our answer. Did I type it in right? I didn't type it in right. So I need to put a 2 there, and now you can see we knew this was our answer. Just make sure you don't make a typo, but yes, you can see again they match. So as long as you set a value to j and k, if it's an equivalent expression, it should equal the same thing. And we can go back and double check all of the different answer choices since I did type it in wrong. And again, we will see that it is the only answer that's equivalent.